Today we are unboxing the Proclamation Duo from Proclamation Goods or proclamationgoods.com. The sticker was on here. I just want to show it to you. It says designed in San Francisco, California, and they are made in the USA. So we are going to unbox this, and here's the nice box that it comes in. And I'm just going to go ahead and open this up, and it comes with a little booklet of information, and as you can see, it's packaged up very nicely. So the cool thing about Proclamation is that it's minimalist cookware in a way. So you get two pieces that does a number of different things, and they are it comes with a nice bag here, which I like that. I like reusable shopping bags. They are a sponsor, the hotline sponsor for our radio show, the Gardening with Joy and Holly radio show for 2022. So I'm just disclaimer there. And it does have a lid here. It's a little bit of a windy day, so try not to lose any of this plastic. Okay. So it's packaged in recyclable packaging. There's very minimal plastic, and then there's even cardboard, so like not styrofoam for the handles and all that. So it's very minimalistic plastic packaging too. So I'm going to put this to the side, and it has a few pieces. Again, it's minimalistic cookware. So you get one lid, and then you have this Dutch oven style pot, which also doubles as a wok and a deep cooking cookware. And then you have the fry skillet, whatever you want to call it, just a skillet. But the cool part is you can hinge these together so that you can use this as a lid. You can put this in your oven as a Dutch oven, whatever you choose to do. So it has many different uses, and you have two pieces, well, three if you count this other lid, but you have three pieces that do a number of things, which can be really handy. And the other cool part is you don't have to worry about non-stick coating coming off. Sometimes even if you have things like a cheaper copper cookware, the coating will start to come off. But this is a nice surface. And again, the lid is interchangeable, which is really nice. I know for me personally, we have a smaller home, and while we have a larger kitchen, we don't have a ton of space to store things. So this allows many uses for all of these, for these three different pieces. So this is the Proclamation Duo. Again, it's three pieces, does a multitude of cooking for you. Really nice. Smooth surface. And again, it's proclamationgoods.com is where you can find it and make your life easier. Check it out.